Hi there, this is Philip again with my Chapter 4 project for Android Bootcamp. I elected to go with the currency conversion project, which required us to design an application where the user input a certain amount of US dollars under 100,000 and then converted it into three different types of currency. Those currencies were euros, pesos, and Canadian dollars. Uh, After that, we were supposed to display the results out to the user, that way that they could see that, and that's pretty much all that we needed to do. We were also required to design a unique icon. I noticed that the instructions for the book are a little bit outdated, so I was able to find a tutorial online which helped a great deal with that process. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and jump into the program and take a look at what we've got. So for my initial activity, I just created a splash page with the title of the app. It's actually an image button. Once the user clicks the image button, it's going to go ahead and move the app into the next activity, the convert activity, where majority of the action actually takes place. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code. As you can see, I've declared all of my doubles up front. I have my double for the user amount, and then of course the conversion rates for each of the three required, and then one extra, which we'll take a look at when we actually take a look at the app. And then I have a double to hold the results. As you can see, I have an edit text box and radio buttons, and then of course a few text view boxes in the application, and then a button. Once the button is clicked, it's going to go ahead and take that dollars amount or the amount that the user put in, and it's going to parse it out to a double. And then it's going to also convert to the currency format. If the euro button's checked, it's going to go ahead and calculate out the results, and then it's going to spit out the euro amount in the currency format. Same with the other three currencies that I decided to add to my application. In the event that the user tries to put in more than $100,000, it's going to tell the user that they need to put in a lower amount. So I already have the app loaded onto the emulator just for speed's sake. As you can see, I do have a custom icon. So we'll go ahead and open it up. We click on the button in order to move forward into the app. All right, and the first thing we're going to try is actually an amount that's too high, just to show that the error message does show up. All right, so it tells us that we need less than $100,000. So let's just do 13,000. All right, the first one we're going to convert to is euro. So it's going to tell us that $13,000 would be equal to 10,557 euros with a 0.82. I'm not sure what that would actually be. We'll try pesos next. As you can see, it goes ahead and converts that over to pesos. Canadian dollars. All right, and we have it converted to Canadian dollars. And then the Galactic Standard Credit. If you are familiar with Knights of the Old Republic, then you might know these as credits. Essentially, it's just a little gimmick from the Star Wars universe. In which case, it's going to tell us that $13,000 would equal about 8,060 Galactic Standard Credits. So this is my application. I hope that you have enjoyed taking a look at my work, and I look forward to the next project. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.